Welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be making wood coasters out of this hazel tree. So let's get right into the video. This is why you cut off your end grain in the beginning, because the back just gets disgusting. And I'm going to quickly say, if you're wondering what this is a hand miter saw jig, which is basically a plastic or wooden box which has grooves where you put your saw in to do different angled cuts. And we don't use this miter saw because when we use it, the engine smells like burning plastic, so it's not really safe. If you're wondering how I sand the piece without it flying off, is I put 3 screws into the countertop of my workbench. It fits every single coaster roughly, but because the coasters aren't even, when they spin, they lock in between the 3 screws, like there and there. Thank you for watching this video so far. I'm just a beginner YouTuber, so please subscribe. I'll try to upload weekly and I'll take in your recommendations for the future videos, so please subscribe. So now I sanded all of the discs with 240 grit sandpaper, so the only thing I have left is to coat them with some rapeseed oil.